Good afternoon. Bkng reported earnings. The stock right now on Bkng is down 265 points. We have this on our website. We paid right around $67 a contract. That closed at last print was $99. So we're well up over 10 grand, it seems like. One thing is that let's go over the Bkng chart. Here we go. We are down 265 points, 34.50, and we bought out of the money 36.20 puts. We've been trading Bkng, known as Priceline, for the last 20 years. Every quarter, long or short, it doesn't matter. But this is a complete breakdown of the 200-day. Sign up. I want you to get paid. It's on the website. This is definitely the Hall of Fame. Become a Hall of Fame trader with us. Yes, do it now.